pretty little technical for the old Nick dog here. Yeah, so let's get into the video. We literally jumped that rut, came up too high on this hill and squid out. Hello! I tell you, sometimes our intros to the video are no joke. Dude, she bit hard right there. She bit hard right there. Wee doggy! She bit hard right there, guys. Come on, baby. Put it down in this rut. That's a good way to turn it around, though. If you guys ever wanted to turn your bike around, just send her into a loop out. Make sure you pull it, though, so it turns. Woo! Woo! That was crazy. All right, we got a bit of an edge right here. It's gonna want to pull us into, keep us in that rut. Release the front brake and it'll bite rather than slide off that hill. Sometimes I know it's like you want to lock up the front like as tight as you can because you're coming down a hill and you're like a little stiffed up. Like, damn, this is intense. But a lot of times when you let off the brakes, instead of having the tires slide or skid, they'll hook. And then you just get right back on them, but it's like soft, smooth, not like jump on them because then you'll slide right out. And a nice little single. See where this goes. Tell you to jump over that tree. No, tell me. Well, it goes around it. Stuck on that little hill. What's going on with it on today's episodes of ND 154? I think we're gonna call this video struggle bus or something because we're struggling, man. Tell you what, there's still a smile on my face though. Never claimed to be the best rider. I do have a lot of fun though. It's all because I was in second gear, and I thought I bumped her down to first. That was a no-go. Smells like strawberries right here. It is what it is, guys. Yeah, it really does smell like strawberries right here. It's intense. Whoa! Fat step off right there. Versus look back where we're walking to. I don't know if you guys like this stuff. You guys let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll edit this out. I think I had said that before, but not sure if anybody replied. Yeah, let me know if you want me to leave me struggling in this video like this. My nose all running. Me breathing heavy. We're doing the thing. Or should I edit it out and basically continue when I get down there and turn around and try it again? Let me know in the comments. Because I'm leaving it in right now. I feel like it's a big part of, you know, riding. You know, as a failed attempts, a big part. A lot of people like kind of learn off at each other. I know I do. So say for instance, you know, you guys might see what I did there. I basically stood in the rut, backed it up until it got shallow, cocked the bars, pulled the clutch in, used kind of the engine to like for braking. Anytime it started going, I let out the clutch, and it, you know, it would basically, you know, try to, you know, it's in gear. So, and then once the rear tire bit on the wall, then the bike just came right up, and then you turn right back down. So as I'm saying, some guy, oh look, I'm trying to start my bike when it's already started. Some people learn off other people. If I just cut all that out, maybe you guys wouldn't have noticed what this professional did there. You know what I mean? So you let me know in the comments if you want me to leave it or not. Here we go, we're gonna do it again. We just stood in first the whole way. Had a lot of torque all the way kind of back on the L seat. Calcito, Ciento, shall I say. And we just bit it, dude. We just got full board traction and yeah, so we made it. So yeah, subscribe, share this video, smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.